handball, safely delivered. Chance for a counter then. And surely he must score. Oh, he's fumbled the ball, but the defender clears. In the box. The keeper pushes it away. Well held. Surely. Right in the box. They've scored. An early breakthrough, a real psychological blow for the opposition.
Oh, that was an exquisite through ball. He took the chance so well. That's a really good finish.
Just listen to the fans. They've done a fine job making that extra man. Calmly done. Back it goes. They're breaking out quickly here. And surely he must score. It's over too high.
I think he catches it really well, but there's no accuracy in that.
Cut out in a promising position. Challenge poor. Foul called. 15 minutes into the first half. Well within his range. Punched away and out for a corner. Drifts one in. Here's a ball in. Goal in sight. It's wide.
Out of nothing, he's produced an effort like that. Shame about the end result, though.
Right in the box. Too much elevation on the ball.
He's a confident boy, and you'd expect him to try anything, but that was way off.
Nice stretching of the play, pushing forward. He's in the box. No, it's off to the right.
Well, that was worth the effort, but it could have
it goes. Chance in the box. Tipped it away. It's a 2-goal lead now.
That was a great run off the ball to latch onto the free pass, and he was so composed in dealing with the keeper.
Arrives in the box. They've done it! A quick-fire double, and this place is in ferment. Spectators out of their seats.
I'm not sure he knew where he was headed once he set off, but that was a blistering burst to go all the way.
To go to half-time. Surely he can't miss from here. And he makes absolutely no mistake. The lead potentially now decisive. They worked it until they had a spare man. And didn't he take it well? A resounding finish.
The minute that left his feet, it was only going to end up in one place, the right-hand corner. What a great strike.
Pumps it upfield. Clear. Passing between the two of them. Surely! Makes the crucial intervention. And there it's half-time.
In my opinion, they're totally in control of this game, and they want to continue the second half in the same manner as they finished the first.
At this stage, it's rather one-sided. Welcome back. The second half just getting underway now in what's been a pretty entertaining match. Deliberate foul. He knocks it in. No way through. Well within his range, and a punch away by the keeper there sends it behind for a corner kick. Who's waiting in the middle? In the box. Arrives in the box. Into those safe hands. Can he find a finish? Just over the crossbar.
In this sort of form, he could score a hatful today.
Picked it off. Into the box. And a goal! This game has already ceased to be a contest.
Really solid football. What a pass and what a way to round it off. Great goal.
We've reached the hour mark. Surely he can put it away. There's a chance to get a cross in. Keeper saw that all the way.
Not one of his best efforts, but I've seen a lot worse.
No attempt to play the ball. Free kick. The pass cut out. Surely! Well, having made the chance, the finishing wasn't good enough.
Well, they just don't come any closer than that.
In the box. And it's a really well-taken goal. Another goal goes in to demonstrate their total control. They're pretty much strolling right now.
But that was a truly magical moment, and it was a privilege to sit here and witness it.
Definitely a player right on top of his game. He showed some deft touches on the ball and some super finishing. Knocks it through the defence. Surely he can put it away. Puts it away. Oh dear, it's becoming more and more like shooting practice. You have to feel sorry for the opposition keeper.
Yeah, he took that pass really well, but he still had a lot of work to do. I thought the finish was really stylish. What a lovely passage he played.
He's grabbed his second and the defence just doesn't seem to know how to deal with him. And he's there to make the block. Oh, stopped him illegally. That's a free kick. cut out. Goal in sight. He parries it. Given away a free kick in a dangerous area, it could be costly. Here's a cross. Oh, that's a solid piece of defensive work. Now it's a great chance for a counter. Right in the box. In the box. Booted to safety. Surely he can put it away. There it is. This game has already ceased to be a contest.
Well, that's a finish that will be remembered by both player and fans for a long, long time. I guess even you guys look at it for a long time too. Wonderful.
Definitely a player right on top of his game. There is the referee's whistle for full time. Well, today the team certainly showed the opposition what they're made of. They ran out comfortable winners in the end. They're certainly looking good, better with every performance in fact, and the results are showing that as they continue to extend their streak.
Yeah, well, we all know they came into this game expecting to win, and they made hard work